Hey everybody, just checking in since it's been a long time since I posted an update, but here we are with my FlexBoss and the indoor batteries installed. They're still kind of disassembled because I'm still waiting on power company inspection, which is, they are incredibly slow. I had my survey done for my 400 amp upgrade in January and it's now September, so that gives you an idea. But here we are. So we've got two FlexBoss21s installed. I did a 2 strings each from all the panels that are outside. So they're certainly not running at full capacity for the 21 kilowatts that they're capable of, but I wanted to have room to expand later. So you can see the piping going up. From the side here, there's 2 large conduit and the communications conduit for the bridge out to the Gridboss. So it kind of works that this inverter connects to this inverter, and this inverter go up to the Gridboss. And then we can go out here and I can show you the other work I had done. Upgraded to a 400 amp service on the left there and the Gridboss. So power comes from one 200 amp leg from here into the Gridboss, goes down around the corner to the replacement panel that I had put in. This one here is where my meter used to be, and the service has been cut, and then it bridges over to my extension panel that I had over yonder there. So that's the current install, and you can see all my panels are up. Let me see if I can zoom in over here. So there's 36, I believe they're 455 watts each, bifacial panels. And I have seen a peak of 18 on 16.2 kilowatts they're supposed to be rated for. So everything's on, currently running it, even though I'm still waiting on inspection, but they said 15 days, which is crazy if you ask me, but yeah. And then after inspection's complete, I plan on adding another battery here and another battery over here, and tie them all together so I can expand my batteries. So there's only, I believe they're rated for 14 kilowatt hours each, and usually when I get a full charge on them during the day, they last until about 5 o'clock in the morning overnight. So if I stack 2 more on there, I should be good overnight, at least during the AC season. And as you can see, since I turned it on, I single-handedly extended the monsoon season in Arizona. So anybody watching from Arizona, you're welcome. All right, until next time, thanks.